Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed those clips on Varadero. Now I'm going to run through my experience in Varadero and where I stayed and what I did while I was there. Varadero was my last stop in Cuba, and I do have other videos of where I visited in Cuba, so make sure you stay till the end. So you can fly directly into Varadero, but as I was travelling around Cuba, I decided to take the Viazul tourist bus, which took about 6 hours and cost $20 per person. I stayed in the Melia Varadero hotel. I would recommend you stay in a hotel when you come to Varadero, as there's many to choose from and they will have access to the beach, which is what most people come here for. I did stay in Casa Particulares in the other parts of Cuba that I visited, and they were all fantastic. I think if you want to stay in a casa when you're in Varadero, you have to book it well in advance, as there aren't many here. The hotel is located in the central part of Varadero, and there is a nearby shopping centre and golf club. The hotels are expensive, especially for what you get. They aren't as well maintained and they are a bit dated. However, the service was fantastic and the people were really helpful, like what I experienced in the rest of Cuba. At the hotel, they have daily activities such as yoga, dance lessons and aqua aerobics. They also have entertainment shows in the evening, which include people singing and dancing. The pool is nice and large, and there's a pool bar, which is really nice. The beaches are the main attraction that most people come here for, as I already mentioned, and they have beautiful white sands, clear blue seas. The hotel that I stayed at had a designated area of the beach with sun lounges, and they also have a beach bar, which was really handy. Water sports is also popular here, such as snorkeling, kayaking. You can also take a classic car ride, but I wouldn't choose to do it here over Havana, as there aren't as many sights to see here. So I dined in the hotel most evenings, as it's an all-inclusive hotel. They have several restaurants there. I did venture out one evening and went to a restaurant called Don Alex, which is an Italian restaurant. The food was really nice and the cocktails were really good. I will also link in the description other good popular restaurants in Varadero. Don't expect the food in Varadero to be any better compared to the rest of Cuba. Overall, I found the food in Cuba to be average, and I think this is probably due to the limitations of what they can import in. Overall, Varadero is more expensive than the rest of Cuba, and it is very touristy. It was probably my least favourite part of Cuba, as it didn't feel like the real Cuba. The beaches here are really nice, but the beaches in Trinidad are just as nice. I hope you enjoyed my video on Varadero. Please like and subscribe, and check out my other videos on Cuba too.